Welcome back to another week here at UBC. What is the state of art in using AI in emerging media and fine art? Deep Paola will feature his research lab's work and how a new form of artwork is beginning in using AI with applications of entertainment, education, health, and fine art. Ever wanted to improve your public speaking skills? The University Staff Toastmasters Club is open to all UBC staff and provides a supportive learning by doing environment and allows you to achieve your public speaking skills at your own pace. Come out to their open house and information session. TEDxBC is a conference for UBC's most fascinating students to share their ideas and visions with the university and with the world. This year's event will be held at the Life Sciences Institute and will feature 8 student speakers from a wide range of interests and backgrounds. UBC eProjects presents Light Hacks, a code-free hackathon designed to take your fresh ideas to center stage. Light Hacks is a full day filled with fast-paced challenges and activities and is fueled by your passion and your forward thinking. No coding experience is required. And that's it for this week. For more events, check out events.ubc.ca. See you next week.